Hello everyone. Today we will see how to install the driver for an ESP32 board on Windows. Most of the time ESP32 development board use Silicon Labs driver, WCA's driver or FT232R drivers. You can check and see the level what kind of chip in use on this board. I already have the USB plugged in, but the port is not showing here. I already unplugged and put it back on, but it still doesn't show up. So let's check the driver. Now right click and go to the device manager. As you can see, the device is showing here, but the driver is not properly installed. So let's open this site. In my case, my board uses a Silicon Labs chip, so I will download the driver from here. I will provide the download links for all chip drivers in the description. As you can see, this chip uses CP2102 USB bridge controller. So I need to download the CP210X Universal Windows driver. Just download, and you need to extract it somewhere in your PC. I extract it in my desktop. Now open the extracted driver folder. Now look for the INF file, which is driver. Now right click and click install. As you can see, it is successfully installed. Now go to the device manager again. As you can see, our driver is successfully installed and device is connected. Now click tools and port. As you can see, our port is now showing, which is COM port 4. Now let's see how to install WCA's drivers. Simply download this installer and execute it. It is very simple. Just press the install button. Wait a little bit and it is successfully installed. Thanks for watching. See you in the next videos.